Hello and welcome to part 20A, or the second part of part 20 of installing a Linux system, which is part of the Programming for the Web series. Today we're just going to look at packages and installing packages and that type of thing. Linux Mint is rather conservative when it comes to the package manager, and consequently, you don't always have the latest version or the recommended version, and that includes installing these apps here. So if you've installed any of apps individually from here, you may find you haven't got the latest version and may need to update them. So how do you actually get Linux Mint to provide the more up-to-date packages? Well, here we need to go into Synaptic Package Manager. If you just type SYN, it'll bring it up. You need, of course, to put your password in. Okay. And wait for it to load the data. As you can see, there's rather a large number of packages. Here you have a brief introduction if you'd like to read that on yours. But just for today, I just want to change the settings. So come to Settings, Preferences, and then in the General tab, you want to Consider Recommended Packages as Dependencies. So click on that, click on Apply, and then click on OK. Now you can close Package Manager. That's part one. You actually need to do another item as well. That's not just the complete thing. And so you need to type into terminal the following. Now I'll put this in the comments section in the section below, so you can just copy and paste it as it's quite long. Okay. So once you've entered that, press enter. It will ask for your password, which you enter. Okay. Now, on pressing your enter after your password, it will seemingly do nothing. Well, that isn't quite correct. What it's actually doing is it's editing the file 00 recommends, and it's changing the recommended settings from false to true. Notice here. Okay, so I shall press enter, and as you can see, it's gone and done it. That's basically all there is to it. Now, there can sometimes be a problem with this in that it will now think that Nautilus, which is a different file manager, will become a recommended dependency. Now, as you can see, the file manager that you have at the moment is Nemo. Okay, and it's probably not a good idea to run two file managers, but you can leave it if you wish. Okay, if you do find Nautilus appears in your list of applications, and at the moment I shouldn't have it. No, it's not there. Okay, so as you can see, it's not there. And if we go into accessories, oh, the computer's very slow today for some reason. It's not there. Okay, but if you do find you've got it, then you need to use the apt-get command, but instead of install, you do remove. So the command is the apt-get remove and then Nautilus. Okay, so if you decide you don't want Nautilus, it's installed it and you don't want it, you can just type that, press enter, it will check to see it, and as you can see, the package Nautilus is not installed, but if it is, you can remove it that way. Okay, that's Package Manager. Now, in theory, you should run the updates again. So Okay, and see which updates it brings in. Now this could bring in quite a lot of updates because it's now bringing in recommended updates, and then you can actually do the upgrades as well. Okay, as we did last time, and as you can see, there's quite a lot now to come in and to be updated. So I'm going to do that. I recommend you do the same. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.